Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your payment systems with PayPal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your payment systems with PayPal, start by creating a PayPal business account. Visit the PayPal website and click on the sign up button. Select the business account option to unlock additional features. Fill in the required information about your business, such as your email address and business name. Next, verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. After verification, log in to your PayPal account. Navigate to the Account Settings section to set up your payment preferences. Choose the payment methods you want to accept from the list available. Link your bank account or credit card for seamless fund transfers. Make sure to enable the necessary security features, such as two-factor authentication. Once your account is set up, generate payment buttons for your website. Go to the Tools menu and select All Tools. Find the PayPal Buttons option and click on Create a Button. Pick the type of button you want, such as Buy Now or Add to Cart. Customize your button by entering the item details and pricing information. Once done, copy the HTML code provided for your button. Paste this code into your website's HTML where you want the button to appear. Next, test your payment button to ensure it functions correctly. Return to your PayPal account to check transaction records and settings. Regularly review and update your payment settings to enhance security and efficiency. By following these steps, you'll successfully upgrade your payment systems with PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.